Hello everyone, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints. Welcome back. And today we are going to be making this Mother's Day flip-flap folio. And this is from a printable kit in our Etsy shop. You might have seen our neutral flip-flap folio, but this one was designed especially for Mother's Day, and it has just a lot of sweet little images of moms and some pretty little butterflies and flowers. So we're going to go ahead and print this out and cut it out, and then we'll get started putting it together. Okay, so to begin with, we printed everything on cardstock, and the kind of cardstock that we use is listed in the video description down below. But we also, some of the pieces have instructions to flip it over and print one of the backing papers on the back, and so we did that. We printed our backing paper on the back of these. And to begin with, we're going to start with the front and back cover of our flip-flap folio, and that would be these pieces here. And you can tell them apart because the front cover is just slightly longer than the back cover. So if you line these up, you can see right here that this one on the bottom is just a little bit longer. So we know that this is our front cover. So I went ahead and just scored all of the lines. I got out my scoreboard and just, real quick here, I'll show you how I did it. I found the lines and I went ahead and just scored along all of them. And I did that for all the folding pieces. So they are ready to fold. So the front cover, again, is just a little bit longer than the back cover. And what we're gonna do is flip it over, and we're gonna fold this right side and then the left side. And we're gonna do that for the back cover as well. So find your back cover, flip it over, and fold this side and then the left side. And then what we're gonna do is take the front cover and back cover and flip them so that this middle panel on the back is what we're gluing together. And to do that, we're going to locate our bridge piece. Again, I scored it and folded it. And that's going to become a bridge that connects our front and back cover. Okay, and what we're going to do is apply glue. Before we do this, I should mention, if you want to distress the edges of your folio, now is a good time to do that. You can go along all the edges and add distress ink and give it a little bit more depth. But I'm not going to bother with that for this one. We do have another folio like this that I will put a link down below, and you can see how we did that for the other folio, the neutral one. But today we're just going to go ahead and start gluing. So take your bridge piece, and what we want to do is put glue around the top and then down the middle across the bottom, and do that for this side as well. There we go. And that's going to create a pocket. So to begin with, we're going to attach it to this side, to the front cover, and also to the back cover. And before it's completely glued, you want to make sure that everything folds and looks right. Okay, and if we did this right, we should have this front cover piece, and then our bridge, and then our back piece. And we're gonna open up this back cover, and we're gonna apply this pocket flap. And what we're gonna do is just add a little glue, again, to the side with the circle cut out. We're gonna apply it to the top, along the side here, whoops, and then the bottom. And you want to be careful not to get glue too much on the pocket, because otherwise you won't be able to slide things into it when you glue it down. So try to keep that glue close to the edge of your pocket flap. And then we want to just make sure that that folds, and it does. We're going to let that dry just a minute. Okay. And then we're going to close this back cover and open it back up to the front cover. And inside here, we're going to put our folio. And this comes with the top panel and bottom panel. And we're going to just glue those down inside of here, just like this. We'll make sure it's centered so that this will close over it. And then we'll do the bottom flap. And then these come with some pockets as well. And two of these pockets are larger, and then one is smaller. You can see it's a little bit smaller. And this small one goes on the outside of our bottom panel. So it's gonna go right here. And again, we're just gonna apply glue to the side, bottom, and other side. Keep it close to the edge. That becomes a pocket. And then we'll open this up and we'll add these two longer pockets inside, and I'm just going to stagger them a little bit to give it a little bit of a layer. And if you want, you could turn one the other direction and use the backing paper side if you want to. I think I'll just use the same front side for these. It's your choice. And then we'll close this little folio piece up, and we'll get ready to add some more decorations. So we have some more pockets that come with this kit. We'll add those. And then we also have these note cards, and these can just go inside where you can have some writing space in your folio if you want. So I will just be decorating from now on and kind of putting this together, and you can follow along, and you can do yours a little bit differently if you want to, or you can do it the same as this one. It's up to you, but go ahead and follow along as we decorate. Okay, so we're all finished with our Mother's Day flip-flap folio. Let's take a look and see how we did. Okay, everyone, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the links in the video description down below for this kit and other kits. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have occasional freebies and more junk journal and craft projects for you, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks, bye!